Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a Badlands trim with the Sasquatch package, powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And the Sasquatch package gives you some bigger 35-inch all-terrain tires on some beadlock rims, a slight lift, I believe, as well. And you've got the heavy-duty modular steel bumper up front. Rock sliders down below. You do have the bigger fender flares for the bigger tires, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you of course have your tailgate that swings open with the full-size spare, and you have a relatively spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And in here you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet up there, and this little compartment with your jack and some extra room for other equipment. And looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3 out of a nice marine-grade vinyl. And you also have vinyl floors down below with drain plugs, so you can keep everything dry. And in the middle, you have a USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and of course your window controls. And the backs of the seats have MOLLE rigging here and a little mesh pouch, so you can hook more equipment onto there. And the vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. And looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, your off-road information, very important for this type of vehicle, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls kind of spread out across both sides. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your vehicle. And above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls. So you have your sway bar disconnect, you have your front and rear locking differentials, and trail turn assist. So if you're on a tighter trail and need to make a very tight turn, this will assist you in doing that. Traction control shutoff, hazards, and up here you have a mounting point for an accessory rail. So if you want to put like a GoPro up here or something like that, you can do that securely. And moving down, you have your media controls with your camera view again. So you also have a forward-facing camera, and your auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Below that, you have this little cubby area with a USB and USB-C. You've got your grab handle here, as well as having one on either side of the dash for holding on during a bumpy ride. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, your 4x4 selector, so you have 4 high, low, and 4 auto, as well as trail control, so it's kind of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, as well as your drive mode selector for normal, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then you have all of your window and mirror controls here, because of course the doors are removable, so you still want to be able to control your mirrors. And yeah, you can take the doors off, put the roof down. This is a soft top, so it does fold down, but you can totally remove it. And you have your lockable center compartment / armrest here, of course lockable because you can take everything off and have the vehicle kind of more vulnerable. You have a little removable tray, plenty of room in there with another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And I believe, last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.